Workbooks, that's something that a lot of people like to throw at kids during the summer. My philosophy about workbooks is only if it works with the way the brain learns how to work is a good idea. I talked about these workbooks, Developing the Early Learner. You can get them from Sunlight Curriculum, and one of our viewers also shared that I believe Rainbow Resource also sells these. This is a fantastic set of workbooks to use when you're working with preschoolers or kindergartners when they're just getting ready to come into the school setting. I mentioned that all of them work on perceptual skills. So for example, you work on motor skills, visual skills, so being able to understand what they're looking at, auditory skills, and language comprehension. So amazing. This is a great thing to do. Do 2 or 3 pages a day. Again, this is something you do with the child. You're not just handing a worksheet to the child. That is a fantastic resource that I found. When my kids were younger, we used a lot of Bob Jones curriculum, and they had these workbooks, and I would get these for my kids to work on over the summer, and it's called Vacation Stations, and this is one resource. We used Bob Jones for several of our subjects, kind of, well, during a certain period of my kids' schooling, we did that. And what I loved about that was it was reinforcing the curriculum that I had used, and the kids would just do 4 pages a day. I mean, they're really quick, maybe 2 pages a day if we were going to go somewhere. But it was a way to just kind of remember how to add, remember about this grammar concept. Very quick, very simple, just refreshing. It was doable, and it was something that by the end of the summer they could be done with that and they could say yay. And then when we started back up again, we had high level retention when we were ready to go into school. When you're working with older kids over the summer, give them practical assignments. Maybe you've been meaning to build a shed in the backyard. Okay, give that to your high school kid. Have him develop the plans, figure out how much lumber, have him maybe work with a carpenter that you know. Maybe he and dad can work on that project together where he's part of the planning process. Those are kinds of things that you can do over the summer. Believe me, there's lots and lots of reading and planning and thinking that are involved in that kind of a thing.